Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram story has no sound. For example, if you open a specific story on Instagram and it has no sound, then I will tell you how you can fix this type of error. For example, if you have an Instagram story which is video story and it do not have a sound on your Instagram app, but it is showing sound on another apps or another person's account, then I will tell you how you can fix this type of error. First of all, you have to check whether your volume button are working or not. By using volume button you can increase the sound of your Android device so that your Instagram story can be heard. To solve this error, first of all you have to go to settings. After settings you have to go to apps. In apps you have to scroll down. After scrolling down you have to click on Instagram. After clicking on Instagram you have to click on storage and you have to clear cache so that your app can be offloaded and any kind of error which is occurring due to load on app can be resolved. After that you have to come back, or you can check permissions of Instagram app whether it is microphone turned on so that any story you have recorded also has recorded the sound in your Instagram story. Moreover, you can also check volume in sound settings so that they are working properly or not. You can click on volume option and check whether they are turned on or off. Sometimes they are turned off and you are checking other settings. After that you can check again the Instagram story. This time this story can produce sound. If doesn't work, then there are many methods by which you can solve this error. If you are facing any kind of problem, kindly mention us in your comments. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.